Hello. Today we are going to train your English voice to use some and any. When we want to refer to the quantity of something, then we use some in positive sentences and any in negative sentences. So let's have a look at the positive sentence example. There are some penguins in Antarctica. So this is a positive sentence, and I'm using the word some because I am referring to a quantity of penguins. There could be 100, 1,000, or 100,000. Okay? I'm referring to a quantity, so I use the word some because they are there. Let's have a look at another example. There is some orange juice in the fridge. So here I'm using the word some because there is a certain quantity of orange juice in the fridge. Let's have a look at a negative sentence. There aren't any polar bears in Antarctica. We know that aren't is are plus not, aren't, and the word not makes a sentence negative. So here I use the word any. There aren't any. So here the quantity is 0. There are 0 polar bears in Antarctica. Let's have a look at another example. There aren't any shells on this beach. We have the word aren't, which makes it a negative sentence, so I use the word any. So there are 0 shells on this beach. The quantity is 0. There aren't any. We can use some and any in questions. Usually, some is used to offer someone something. If we are not sure if something exists, then we use any. Have a look at question 1. Would you like to see some penguins? So here I am offering you something. I am offering for you to see some penguins. Let's have a look at another example. Would you like some orange juice? Here I am using the word some and I am offering you something. I am asking you if you would like some orange juice. Now let's have a look at question 2. Are there any polar bears here? In this question, I am not sure if the polar bears are there. Do they exist there? So I am asking, are there any? Okay. Let's have a look at one more example. Are there any shells on the beach near your house? So here, I am not sure if there are any shells. So I'm asking you, are there any shells? And I would like you to tell me if there are or if there aren't any. Excellent job today. Well done. Goodbye.